Almost every day we use plastic bags. Usually people tie them like this. It's very secure, but when you want to open it, it takes a lot of time. Now, try this tying method from Daisy instead. Use both hands to twist the bag inward. Then hook the two twisted ends together and pull. It only takes 1 second. And it's quite secure. And when you open it, it also takes less than a second. Super easy, right? When you come home from shopping, do you usually stuff plastic bags in like this? It's quick and convenient, but it looks messy and takes up a lot of space. Try this simple trick to keep everything neat and organized. First, lay the plastic bag flat. Fold it lengthwise. And do the same with the other bags. Open the two handles. Then thread the bottom of the second bag through them. Next, use an empty toilet paper roll to wrap the bags around it. Prepare a cardboard box you no longer use. And place the rolled bags inside. And here's the result. When you need a bag, just pull one out. Easy, right? Nice and tidy. Here's a super simple way to put on a body pillow cover and save time. Usually people use their hands and struggle to put it on like this, right? But don't do it that way anymore. I've got a faster trick for you. Hook one end of the pillowcase around two of your toes, like this. Then reach your hand through the pillowcase and pull the pillow inside. This method is super easy and saves so much time. Follow me so you don't miss more simple and helpful tips like this. 99% of people are using cooking oil bottles the wrong way. Every oil bottle actually has a little magic cap that most people don't know about. Usually, after unscrewing the bottle, people just throw this cap away, right? And when you pour the oil, it comes out all at once. That's not correct. The right way is this. After removing the cap, flip it upside down and put it back on like this. Just be gentle. Otherwise, the cap might snap back. If that happens, simply use chopsticks to gently take it out. Now look closely. There are small holes that control how the oil comes out. The oil flows evenly. Helps you avoid pouring too much, and saves oil too. When a natural disaster happens, or when there's a power outage and you don't have any candles, what can you do? With just cooking oil, rice, and water, you can make a simple emergency candle. Prepare a small jar. Add some rice to the bottom. Then pour in water until the rice is fully covered. Next, gently pour cooking oil on top. The oil will float above the water. Place a cotton swab in the center of the rice. The rice will hold the wick steady, and the cooking oil will act as the fuel. Please share this tip with your loved ones, just in case it's ever needed. I truly hope that no one in this world will have to suffer losses caused by natural disasters. Wishing everyone safety and peace. When cooking or doing housework, sometimes you need to take off your gloves temporarily, but you don't want to get your hands dirty. First, remove one glove, so the clean side stays on the outside. Then put that glove on the other hand. Next, take off both gloves using the inside-out method. Now the clean sides are on the outside, and the dirty sides are folded inside. When you need to use them again, put both gloves onto one hand. Remove the outer glove by turning it inside out, and put it on the other hand. That's it. Your hands stay clean, and you don't have to struggle with putting gloves on multiple times.